Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles until 5 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles southwest of Fort River, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Garden State South Reef, Ship Bottom, Barnegat Light Reef, Garden State North Reef, Fort River, Harvey Cedars, North Beach Haven, Barnegat Light and Seaside Park. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southern New Jersey. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following marine location: coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles.